Well, I guess so. You get all cushiony and stuff. Well, how's it going to feel not to have all these pine needles in the thing next year?
I think the squirrel speck is good nest or something.
Yeah?
The needles aren't the worst part, it's the dirt on top of it. They screw up the water.
Oh, yeah. Bet they do. This is another one. I remove pine trees. People say I can't stand it, it's getting in my pool enclosure and I can't get them out.
No, yeah, you won't leave anything else grow.
You gotta call the screen guy and have that young guy, he gets up here and walks along here and pulls them all out.
I don't think it's got a-
Sit down before you get in trouble. I heard her tell you to sit down. Oh, my wife. You got a good view from way back there, what do you? Oh no, that was not good stuff. Oh, let's see, small freezer, something like 50 to 75 hours. I just called my son Brian, the guy, and son there gives you a price, don't charge you a price, but he's the best one in town.
Watch this, is gonna land right into the chipper.
Yeah, there's some over on the right hand side, there's one, especially there in the back. Back quite a bit. That was included. Yes, sir. We got the best prices for that. We just do a lot of work. Yeah, it'll be less than that. But yeah. Okay. got your video taken.
I actually made a thing at the house. It's a little tripod. It holds your phone in there. You can just set it down and it'll record.
Oh, yeah?
Didn't I, John?
What?
Remember that little tripod I made for recording?
Yeah. It'll be bigger than that, remember, they're 2 men.
Mine and John's 2 men or Wayne's 2 men?
You and Wayne.
That's like 5.
Wayne said got him bigger. This is when you really want to get along good with the climber. How big he cuts them matters on how much he likes you. Tie your rope to that one, John. That's good, don't you think? We can pull that right down there next to the chipper.
Hey, how big I cut him? How much I like y'all?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
The more you cut them, the more you like them. The bigger you cut them, the more you don't like them.
I know you love me, John.
I got a sharp chain. Or a brand new one out of the shop. Then I'll cut him as small as you want. But these, that guy from ET can't sharpen the chain. We're not a climbing saw chain anyway. The other chain is pretty good.
He might have used too big of a thing on him.
I think he did something. But I mean, all the other chains, they're fine. But the climbing saw,
Not all of them. He didn't cut. He didn't file the rakers down to go even with the teeth.
He just doesn't like you, John. That's what it is. He knew that saw was yours.
Look at that. Wayne, bring me that rope.
No way.
Yeah.
No, the lip.
Cut them in pieces of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The top of that thing 60 feet.
John,